So here one statue of 1.6 meter tall. 1.6 tall is standing on the top of a pedestal. On a top of the pedestal, this is the statue. Oh. And from a point on the ground, this is ground here, and from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue, this is top of the statue, this is the top of statue. Top of statue is 60 degree, means this is making 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, it is the top of the pedestal. From here to top of the pedestal, it is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So here how we can find? We will find first this height is required. So from here we will find first ground, 10 we will take, and we will solve, and then we will solve. Here this 10 is also difficult, so we will solve, and you will see how we can solve it. Okay, first we will go with the 10. So here for this, in triangle BCD, tan 45 will be DC upon BC. Tan 45 is 1, so 1 is DC upon BC. Or BC will come to this side, BC is equal to DC. This is, you have proved that this line and this line is equal. Now, in another triangle we will go. In triangle A, B and C. Now we will take tan 60 degree. Tan 60 will be your AC. So it will be AC upon BC, and tan 60 is equal to your under root 3. So this AC we can break under root 3, and AC is equal to your AD plus DC, under root BC. Okay. So now this here BC and DC are equal, so this also we can change. Under root 3 is equal to AD upon DC, because DC is required. DC is required here. Here DC is there. So now, because you have changed AC, so now here we will change this also. BC to DC, because BC is equal to DC. This you have proved. Now, this DC we can take to this side. So, DC under root 3, multiply sign of course is here. So, point we are putting is equal to AD plus DC. So, AD they have given already 1.6 plus DC. So, here DC point under root 3. It is point means multiply sign is this one. So, what we can do now, we can put this to this side. So, DC under root 3, this DC we are taking this side, minus DC is equal to 1.6. Now, here again, DC we can take as a common. It is as a common. We will take it as a common. What will remain? Under root 3 minus 1 will remain is equal to 1.6. Okay. Or DC we can write now, this will go to this side. 1.6 upon under root 3 minus 1. Okay. Now I will rub, and from here I will do the further question. So from here it is minus 1, so we will normalize it. Normalize means we will multiply this figure, normalize this with 3 plus 1, so that a square and b square we can get. So we will take it to upside. DC is equal to 1.6 multiplied by under root 3 plus 1. This is normalizing and here under root 3 minus 1 multiplied by under root 3 plus 1. Here normalize, we have multiplied both the sides. This is both side multiplied. So this is rationalized. We have rationalized. For that we have multiplied this. So what will happen? This is it will be remain like this. 1.6 under root 3 plus 1 will remain this side, but what will remain here? Here it will be a square. A square means now a square minus b square identity use here. So what will be? It will be the under root 3 square minus 1 square. So 1.6 under root 3 plus 1, and it will become 3 minus, it will become 3 and minus 1. So here you see in the bracket plus sign is there. So if you make a square, it will remain plus 1. And when you will open the bracket, this after a square you will make it square if go, and it will remain plus 1. Okay. So then if a bracket you will open, it will be minus 1. Understood? Here square is on this, not on here, not on this side. So this plus sign will remain plus. So what will happen? 1.6 under root 3 plus 1 upon 2 it will remain. It will cut it, 0.8 will come. So what will remain? This will go out. So is equal to 0.8 under root 3 plus 1. This will be your answer of DC. So pedestal height. This is pedestal height. Okay, this is your answer. Now this question 8 is over. We will go to question number 9. Now question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building. Angle of elevation top of the building from the foot of the tower. This is tower and it is its foot. From the foot of tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, this is tower. So top of the tower to the foot of the building. This is foot of the building. This is foot of building. It is building, foot of building. This is your foot of building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So you have to find this height of building. Height you have to find. This tan you have to find. Okay, so first we will take tan 50 degree. Okay, in triangle A, B, C, tan is 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to AC upon BC. Okay, tan 60 is under root 3. AC is 50 degree, and BC we have to find out. So BC will be one side. BC will be 50 upon under root 3. Okay, now we will find this in triangle B, C and D. So here tan 30 degree tan 30 degree will be dB upon BC. So tan 30 degree, tan 30 is 1 by 3, 1 under root 3, and dB dB we have to find out, and dB we have to find out. dB we have to find out. dB tan 30 in triangle tan 30. So dB upon BC. So dB and BC is 50 under root 3. Okay. Now we will solve it. So this we can write 1 upon under root 3 equal to dB. This will go up into under root 3 upon 50. Okay. This we will take to this side. dB will remain one side. This 50 is divided, so it will come to here. This 1 into 50. This 3 is under root 3, and this 3 is multiply sign. It will come to multiply sign. So it will become 50 upon 3 is equal to dB. Okay. So here 50 we will divide. So dB will be so 16 2 upon 3. It will be meter. 16 upon under root 2 meter is your answer. Okay, this will be 3 is divided, it will be answer. Now we will go to question 10. Two poles are there, 2 poles of equal height, both are equal. That means AB is equal to D. AB is equal to D. This is given. Of equal heights opposite to each other on the side of a road. This is the road, and it is one side and one is on another side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. Means BC is equal to 80 meter. This 80 meter wide road is 80 meter. From a point from between them on the road, the angle of elevation of top of the poles is 60 and 30. One is at 60 and one is at 30. Okay, 60 and 30 respectively. Find the poles and the distance, height of the poles and distance of the point from the pole. Means we have to find pole height we have to find. Pole ki height we have to find. We have to find this distance and this distance. Means BC is equal to we have to find, and CE distance from this point, and CE also we have to find, and we have to find D equal to AB equal to how much. These things you have to find out. Now we will go to solve the questions. We will take the tan. Okay. So in triangle, this triangle first. In triangle DCE, tan, because from this side you want to know, so we will find out tan. So tan 60 degree is equal to D upon C. Okay. So tan 30 is under root 3, tan 60 is under root 3. And D you have to find out. And CE how much it will be? It will be 80 meter. 80 meter minus from the 80 meter, if you reduce the BC, CE will remain. So this is, then suppose you want to know, suppose D will remain to this side, and we will solve it. So here our main aim is to find C. Our main aim is to find this C, because it will be useful for us. So what we will make, we will take CE to one side and other things. So CE will be D upon C. So in one we have just find CE because we have to use it. Now in this triangle, in triangle ABC, now tan 30 degree. tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon BC. Okay. So tan 30 is 1 by 3. Tan 30 is 1 by under root 3. 1 by 3 is AB. So again BC is our interest. BC we want to know. So BC we will take to this side and this will go to this side. So AB upon 1 upon 3. So if you solve it, this goes always upper side. This goes to the upper side. So how we will make? We will make it under root 3 here and 1 will come down. So 1 is not necessary, so it becomes like this. AB into 3. Or you can write 3 into AB. You can write also under root AB and under root 3. You can write it like this. Okay. Now from here, BC is equal to this much. And this two all together, BC and CE all together is your 80 meter. Now, as per given, now this BC is equal to 80 meter minus C. So in place of BC we can write 80 meter minus C is equal to AB and under root 3. Okay, and AB is equal to D. Okay, so D under root 3. AB is equal to D. So here we can put the D. So 80 minus CE is equal to DE and under root 3. D under root 3. D means pole height. Okay. So now for CE we have solved. Okay, so C we can replace with D upon under root 3. So that D and D will come. Now we will transpose and solve from here onward. I will rub it and from here we will again solve the upper portion. So we are taking it to upper side. So 80 we are keeping in one side and other things we are keeping on one side. So 80 is equal to D is minus sign, it will go to there to plus sign. So D upon under root 3, it is E. DE. Under root 3, it will go minus, it will come here as a plus. D plus 3, it is D under root 3. So what we will do? We can take the D as a common. D common. This common we are taking out. So common. So what will remain? 1 upon under root 3 will remain. If D will go out, 1 upon, and here what will remain? 1 will go out and under root 3 will remain only here. Okay. So here 80 is here. 80 is here. So now this by LCM we can solve. So D is equal to under root 3, it will remain 1 and here 1 is there. So it will come here 1, 3 and 3 if you will multiply, it will be under root 3 into under root 3. So it will become full 3. It will become F3. Okay. So 80, this figure is on multiply. Here it will come in the, if it will come here and we want to put a divide sign. Now we will reverse and put a multiply sign. Under root 3 upon 4 is equal to D. So it we can cut 20. So 20 under root 3 is equal to DE. So DE means pole height. So one problem is solved. This is pole height is your 20 upon under root 3. Now we will solve the other distance, this and this we will solve. Okay. Now, at the starting we have solved this C equal to D upon E. Now we are putting the value here. So C is equal to 20 under root 3 upon under root 3. So this we can cut C. C is equal to 2 means C and E. This side is 20 meter. So this side will be 80 minus 20 means 60 meter. So BC, this is one distance, first distance. It is one distance answer, and other is your BC. BC is equal to 80 meter minus 20 meter is equal to 60 meter distance from second pole and distance from first pole. Suppose it is pole 1 and it is pole 2. So this is your answers. One is 20 meter and one is 60 meter. This question is over. Now we are going to question number 11. Now question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. This is a canal is there, and it's one bank is here, and bank from here a TV tower is installed. From point on the other bank, from the canal, this is one bank and this is one bank. Bank means kinara, side of the canal. So one side and other side, one side to other side, to the other side, other bank means other side, directly opposite the tower, directly opposite to the tower. This is tower and it's opposite, directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower, from angle of elevation to the top of the tower, 60 meter. From a point on the other bank directly, 20 meter. From elevation opposite to the top. From here it is 20 meter. From here canal is this side. From the angle of elevation of the top of tower is 20 from a point on the other bank directly. From another point 20 meter away from this point. Now 20 meter away from this point. From this point 20 meter away you have to go. Away means at a distance. You have away 20 meter away from this point. The line joining this point to the foot of the tower. This is the foot of the tower. Line joining the foot of the tower. Foot of tower. Line joining to foot of the tower is 30 degree. From here it is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Means you have to find this. Okay. You have to find the canal. It is canal. So you have to find it. Canal. Now we will start with tan. Okay. So in triangle ABD, tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon DB. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by 3 under root 3. AB is not given, and DB we can write DC plus CB. Okay, 1 upon under root 3 is equal to AB, and here DC is 20 meter plus CB we can write. Okay, CB we can write. So here what we can do? We will solve this also. In triangle ABC, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree will be AB upon CB. Tan 60 is under root 3 is equal to AB upon CB. So CB we want, so we can write CB we will take to one side. CB is equal to AB and under root 3. This we will keep with us. This we will keep with us and this we will use because it is of our use. Wherever CB is there, we can use it. So, in place of CB also we can write this. First you start with this point. Now second point you start from here. So this AB upon 3 we can write here. In place of CB we can write AB and under root 3 we can write. Now we will solve it. So by LCM we can solve it. 1 under root 3 is equal to AB and here you take the LCM under root 3. Here nothing is there, 1 is there. 1 will divide it and whatever will come, under root 3 will come, it will divide 20. So it will become 20 and under root 3. And here it will divide 3, 1 will come and it will remain as a AB. Okay, is equal to 1 by under root 3. This 3 we can take to upper side. Okay, so and here AB will remain. But this 3 we are taking to so this figure we are taking to this side. Okay, so it will come to this side. This 3 will go up. Under root 3 upon 20 under root 3 plus AB is equal to AB and under root 3. So this we are taking here. 1 upon under root 3 is equal to AB. This we are taking and here it will remain 20 under root 3 plus AB it will remain. Okay, now this is a divide side. It can go to this side in multiply position and it will come to this side. 20 under root 3 plus AB is equal to AB. This is under root 3 and this fraction 1 by under root 3 we are taking to this side into under root 3. So what will happen? It will become 3. So it will become 3. So this will become your 3AB. This we can take to this side minus AB. And what will remain here? 20 and under root 3. Now it will become 2AB. And here it is the same 20 upon 3AB. So for AB what we can do? We will write 20 and 2 we will take to this side. Now from here we can cut it, 10 will come. So AB will be equal to 10 and under root 3. This will be your answer. Means AB height is 10 and under root 3. So this one answer we have find out. Now we will go to the other part of the question. Okay. Now I will rub this portion. And I am doing further. Okay. So here CB is equal to AB upon 1/3. We can write it BC also. So CB is equal to AB upon under root 3. We have solved it. This we have solved. So what will happen? Now for AB we can write this. So CB means this distance we are going to find. So canal width. This is the width. Width is CB. CB will be equal to AB we have solved 10 under root 3. And under root 3 will remain here. So this we can cut. So CB will be 10 meter. So this will be your another answer. Okay, by this question is over. So thank you. Our video is being lengthy, so we are going to, because we have to explain everything. That's why it takes time for explaining, so that you can easily grasp it. It takes time. So now we will make another video for the rest of the questions. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Please share with your friends also, so that they can also watch and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.